You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names from the NBA, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more for you. Confusing ones is with the Golden State Warriors. Brandin Podziemski. Yeah, I know the spelling of his surname makes it a little bit confusing, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know Podziemski, with a stress on the gem syllable, because he's a gem. Brandin Podziemski. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.